Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Have you ever wanted to add intelligent vision to your DIY projects? Imagine an ESP32 cam that can recognize specific objects. In this tutorial, we will use Edge Impulse to train a custom object detection model and run it on the teeny yet powerful ESP32 cam. Yes, AI vision on a microcontroller. So let's get started. First, go to edgeimpulse.com and create an account. Edge Impulse is a leading development platform for embedded machine learning. It simplifies the entire process of building, training, and deploying ML models to small resource constrained devices like microcontrollers and single board computers. Click on Get Started. Then select Continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to use and follow prompts. Set the username and select your role, and just like that, your Edge Impulse account is ready. Click on Click here to build your ML model to start your first project. To collect images, open the Arduino IDE and go to the Library Manager. Search for and install the Eloquent ESP32 CAM library. I have already installed it. Then go to File, Example, Eloquent ESP32 CAM, collect images to Edge Impulse. Enter your Wi-Fi, SSID, and password. In the Setup section, change the camera model to AI Thinker. Now upload the code to the ESP32 cam. Open the serial monitor to get the IP address. Paste that IP into your browser, and you will see the live video stream. To collect images, click Start Collecting. Hold up your first object, for example a watch. After a few seconds, click Stop. Change the angle or orientation of the object and click Start Collecting again. Repeat this a few times to get varied images. Once done, click Download. Name the object, and your image set will be downloaded as a zip file. Repeat this process for other objects like a lighter, or a remote. Extract each zip file and place the image into labeled folders. For example, watch, remote, and lighter. Now go back to Edge Impulse. Give your project a name. Go to Data Acquisition. Add data. Upload data. Select the folder of one object, e.g. watch. Give it the label watch and upload. Repeat this step for each object folder. Click on Labeling queue. For each image, draw a box around the object and give it a label. For example, watch. Enable track object between frames. To speed up the process, click Save Label and continue to the next image. Repeat until the label queue becomes 0, meaning All images are labeled. Now click on Create Impulse. Keep the image size at nans 96 x 96. Select Fit Shortest Axis. Click Add Processing Block and add the image processing block from the Edge Impulse. Under Learning block, choose Object Detection. Click Save Impulse. Next, click on the image. Change color depth to grayscale. This reduces model complexity and works well for basic object detection. Click Save Parameters. Then generate features. You will see a scatter plot showing how your objects are clustered based on their features. This helps visualize model separation. Click on Object Detection. Set training cycles to 60. Set learning rate to 0.01. Click Start Training. This may take a few minutes. Once completed, you will see a summary including accuracy and confidence scores. Go to Deployment and select Arduino library. For target, choose ESP-I. Click Build to download the zip library. In the Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, Include Library, Add Zip Library and select the Download Zip file. Then go to File, Examples, Detect any object with Edge Impulse, ESP32. Open the example code. Make sure to uncomment or define the camera model as AI Thinker. Upload the code to your ESP32 cam. Open the serial monitor. I have drawn a small rectangle frame on my board. Place your object inside the frame. Place the watch. The ESP32 can detect and prints watch. Place the remote. It shows the remote on the serial monitor. Now place the lighter. It prints lighter on the serial monitor. Your ESP32 cam is now performing real-time object detection using a model you trained, all on a low-cost microcontroller. AI on microcontroller is the future, and it's here now. If you found this project helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a DIV AI plus IoT tutorial. Let me know in the comment below what amazing project you are planning with the ESP32 CAN and Edge Impulse. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.